Hey guys, it's Beltrami from WE112419 Properties, and it is freaking Friday. This week's Showcase Home of the Week is located at 1343 Studer Street. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1/2 bath. It was built in 2007. It's 2,147 square feet. They're asking $394,000. This is being brought to you by Jessie Singh from J Singh Homes. She's having her open house this Saturday from 3 to 5. Guys, let's walk this house. So you walk into this beautiful home and you're greeted with these really wonderful stairs here with the hand-scraped wood floors, just really nice. Then you come up to the landing of these stairs and you have either to go up to the main living area of the home or down to the 2 bedrooms. So we're downstairs. This is where the 2 bedrooms are. You have the entrance to your outside, and then you have bedroom 1 and bedroom 2, and then this is also the entrance from the garage. So you have your first bedroom, nice carpeting, has a ceiling fan, and then you have a nice sized closet. You come out of this bedroom, you have the shared bath for this floor with a shower tub combo, granite countertops, and then you come into the 3rd bedroom, nice size, and then also you have a walk-in closet in this bedroom. Then when you come up to the main living space, the wood floors continue. You have tons of light. It's nice and bright. It's a huge open space. Here's your kitchen, the stairs going to the master bedroom suite, and then you have your granite countertops, wood cabinets, huge pantry, 4-burner cooktop. You have your breakfast area here, a door to a small little patio, and then this is your laundry room and your half bath. Then you come up to the 3rd level. This is a wonderful master bedroom retreat. You have a little bit of extra space here, maybe for your desk, an office area. Gorgeous master bedroom, tray ceilings, tons of light. Then you have the bathroom with the double sinks, garden tub, walk-in shower, and then this gorgeous walk-in closet with tons of room. Was this a great house or what? To come check it out, come this Saturday from 3 to 5 to Jessie's open house. And if you'd like to have a private showing of this home or any other home in the Houston area, my contact information is at the end of this video, and I look forward to seeing you at the next Showcase Home of the Week.